Hey, good day, guys. This is Chibuzo Agowa, and you're welcome to Blogging for Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be revealing to you the best way to choose a niche for your blog or YouTube channel. I actually tagged it the best way because, trust me, the information I'll be revealing to you in this video, you wouldn't find it elsewhere in any YouTube videos or blog posts anywhere. So that's the reason why I said it's the best way. And apart from the information being found nowhere else, it's quite easy for you once you follow this method in choosing your blog. So if you intend to start a new blog or maybe a YouTube channel, then this video is just for you. Or maybe you already have an established blog or YouTube channel, you can actually watch this video and learn one or two things. So like I normally do, we shall be I divided this video into various subtopics so that we can easily cover them as soon as possible. So the first one we shall be looking at is what's the niche. Briefly, we shall also talk about must you be an expert in the niche before choosing the particular niche. I shall reveal the answer to you right here in this video. Then the third point or the third subtopic is that two important things for you to note before choosing the niche. And the last one, which is the main practical section itself, which is the best way to choose a niche, which I shall be moving to our browser for us to see the steps I'll be showing you. So now let's see. The first subtopic says that what is a niche? A niche, I wouldn't want to go deep into this explanation because I believe you already know what a niche is. So a niche is simply a specific topic or ideas one can create content on. Yes, it can be a blog post, an infographics, a video, whatsoever, and you are planning to set up or upload that content on your blog, your website, or your YouTube channel or any video platform. So that is what is a niche is. I don't really want to go deep into this definition. You can find so many videos that talks about niche, but what I am here in this video is to actually show you the best way to choose a niche so that you can set up your own blog or a YouTube channel. So now let's go to the first topic. Must you be an expert before choosing a niche? The answer is simply no. Why do I say so? Because there are many people that actually have an established blog, website, or YouTube channel, and they are not expert in that specific niche. Why is that? You can easily outsource your content to an expert for him or her to actually create the content on a specific topic or niche ideas. So you mustn't really be an expert. You can easily outsource your content to various content creators and you pay them a specific price. Because you being an owner of a business doesn't necessarily mean for you to have all the ideas it takes to have that business or maybe to make the business to grow. But if you're an expert in a particular niche, there's no reason why you shouldn't choose that niche of choice, but it is not necessarily for you. That's why I said it's not a must for you to be an expert in a particular niche before choosing it. So having known that, now let's move to the next subtopic. So you mustn't necessarily be an expert before choosing niche. Now, it says the two important things for you to know before choosing a niche. This is quite important. Yes, you should take note of the first and the second. So the first one is said you should ensure that the niche is monetizable. Yes, how to monetize your content, because gone are the days whereby one actually create a blog or a YouTube channel in order just for passion. You're just uploading contents just for fun. Gone are the days, because we all know that blogging and YouTubing is actually a business whereby people are actually making passive income. So you should not be left out. You shouldn't just upload contents for creating sake or maybe for passion or for fun. So you should make sure that the niche you are trying to choose or the topic ideas you are trying to delve into actually is monetizable. So that's the first thing. And what are the various ways by which you can monetize your content? YouTube channel, be it a YouTube channel or a blog. Remember, we are talking about YouTube channel and blog. Though this is a video, it's not necessarily that you must follow this step for YouTube channel. You can actually use it for your blog. And the last two, which I shall be showing you in this video, actually is a merger. You can easily use it for both your blog and your YouTube. So now let's go. Like I said, the various ways by which you can easily monetize your content is through ads placement, just like through YouTube AdSense. The next one is through affiliate marketing, whereby you promote products. You are actually an affiliate marketer. Like you can easily register for various affiliate programs such as Amazon, Competition Junction, Impact Radios. There are quite many. And in Nigeria, the country where I reside, you can actually find Jumia affiliates, Gonga affiliates, and the like. So that's how you can monetize your affiliate marketing. And I believe I talked about that in this channel whereby I talk various passive ways of making passive income right from home. I talked about affiliate marketing. And the next one is partnership with brands, whereby brands, popular brands actually contact you for you to promote their products on your videos, on your YouTube videos or your blog posts, yes, and they pay you some certain amount for the promotion. And the last one, which many people don't really know, it is quite important, is selling your own goods or services. Yes, you can actually sell your own products via your YouTube channel or your blog posts, whereby people can easily make purchase and you deliver to them. If it is a goods, then if it's services, you can actually sell digital products like ebooks, courses via your blog or your YouTube channel. So those are the various ways you can easily monetize your content or the niche which you're trying to verge into. So you should make sure that the niche is monetizable. It shouldn't be a niche whereby you just upload videos or create contents just for fun. And the next important point, which this first one actually rely on, is, are people interested in this niche? Yes, you should make sure that you're actually choosing a niche whereby people are interested in. Yes, it would catch audience. There must be a particular audience that actually are interested in this niche. So which now brings us to the last topic, which is the best way to choose a niche, of which I make the point that you should choose a particular topic people are interested in. And if we talk about topic or a topic of interest and hobbies, you see that they are quite synonymous. So which means you should choose a niche via hobbies. So now let's now move down to my browser where we're actually going to cover the practical section itself. I've opened my Firefox browser. So like I said, the first or the main points are choose a particular topic people are interested in, which is the hobbies. So now all you have to do, now we are actually now going into the main point in this video, which is the best way to choose a niche. So now you now go to, all you have to do is to go to your search bar. You can actually use Chrome or any browser of your choice and just type hobbies. And be rest assured that the first results you see on the search pages, if you're actually using Google as your default search engine, is going to be the list of hobbies via Wikipedia. So now all you have to do is to click on the first link, which is a list of hobbies that you find on Wikipedia. So now the result is just what we are seeing now on my screen. So it says general hobbies. Now what I'm trying to tell you, remember I said that you should make sure you choose a particular topic people are interested in, and that is the only way you can make money, because people must be interested in that topic. So now we are now here where we have various hobbies. As you can see, their hobbies are listed right. They have the 3D printing, acrylic, depends, fingerprinting, fish farming, animation. So what I'm just trying to say that you can actually choose all these which are hobbies as niche, because for sure people are actually interested in fishing. And if you create a YouTube channel or maybe a blog using fishing as your main niche or topic ideas and start creating contents that are related to fishing, be rest assured that you can easily attract audiences such as people that are interested in fish farming and the like. So there are various hobbies listed right here on Wikipedia. You can also see blogging is here. You have blacksmithing, you have binge watching, you have bell ringing. So all these are topic ideas or niches which nobody else have told you, and I believe that you are actually seeing this for the first time. So if you believe that yes, this is what you want to see more, you can easily hit the subscribe button of this channel and actually turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I release another important videos just like this. So what we actually do here is a tutorial based channel, and all we do is actually technology related. So that is why the name of this channel is actually Blogging for Tech. So once you've done that, automatically you're part of this channel and you're welcome into the family. Now you can see lots of niches, and they're actually divided into categories. There are lots. You can see as many of decorating, dancing, kids sports, cryptography. So these are all niche ideas, and if eventually you find a niche idea which you are an expert in, like I said, it is not a must for you to be an expert, but if you're an expert in a particular niche idea, it's an added advantage because you'll be creating content from experience. But if you're not an expert, that doesn't mean that you shouldn't choose such a niche. If you find it profitable enough, you can actually hire an expert to start creating content centered on that. So you can see outdoors and sports, and these are where many people actually choose their niche ideas. There are quite many. You have educational hobbies, you have collection hobbies, you have outdoors, you have indoors, and the likes outdoors. There are just so many. So these are all niche ideas you can choose from. So they are actually all all for your disposal. You can actually make your choice. You see, like I told you from the start, this is an information you would never find anywhere else. Yes, I'm revealing it to you right here in this channel. So now let's say, for instance, now you've chosen a niche idea. Let's say let me say bead making. I just saw bead making here. Now if you actually choose bead making as a niche idea, you should actually want to verge into. So how can you create content, or how can you start creating contents that are all related to bead making? So the first thing you have to do, you have to still go to your browser. That's the tool I'll be showing you later. You can still go to your browser and just type bead making. Or as you can see, the Google suggests, the Google Auto suggest, or Google Auto complete, no matter you can call it any of that, it actually brings out searches or queries that people have actually keyed on that are related to bead making. As you can see, bead making for beginners, bead making designs, bead making in Nigeria is actually bringing a query related to the country whereby I reside in. For example, if you're in the United States of America, you might actually see bead making in USA. If you're in India, you actually see bead making in India and the likes. So now let's say, for example, bead making for beginners. Let's use this as a search query of which years we want to like create content on. So now the next thing you actually do, there's a tool with like I told you, is actually a free SEO tool, H Super Tools. I like using this tool a lot because you can actually conduct a search for your blog, for that is for your written content, article, and YouTube at once. How can you do that? For example, I've actually logged into my account, like as you can see, Hey Super Tools. I've logged into my account. This is my account. So now, once you create an account, actually, this is what you'll see once you log into your dashboard at first. So what you have to do is, first of all, you click on this portion that said Keyword Research Tool. So you click on Keyword Research Tool. A window just like this will pop up. Remember, we want to search for this first query said bead making for beginners. So now let me key in the query. Let me type bead making for beginners. So now this is the keyword we're actually looking for. Now let me click I'm not a robot. Now you tap on search. Remember, we've chosen the niche, which is the first thing, which is bead making. I'm just using this as an instant in this video. You can actually choose from this array of results that you see right here. Yes, anyone that suits your taste. There are quite many. You can search and search before you continue your keyword research. So now let's see the results. Actually the paid competition is actually high, which means they are actually, how will I put it, remember I told you ways of monetizing the blog. Let's go back. Which number one, I told you about partnership with brands. Going by this result I will key in for, which is bead making for beginner, you notice that the paid competition is high because most partners, yes, actually people that want to place their ads or that are running Google ads, actually the keyword is high, and the competition, as you can see, the CPC, which is the cost per click, is actually $2. But as you can see, the competition is high, which means you may find it difficult for you to rank on this particular keyword. So I will advise, for a starter, if you know you don't have, or you don't have an established blog or maybe an established YouTube channel, you actually go for the keywords that are actually low. So you can see if you scroll down a bit, you see so many related keywords. Like I said, bead jewelry making for beginners. The monthly volume is 90, and the paid competition is also high. The CPC in this time around is 30 cents. So there are so many search results. If you scroll, there are quite many. Like I told you, it's a free SEO tool, and that's the reason why I like using it. And remember, I told you, and you can easily key in searches for both YouTube and blog making for as an article writing. So this result that we are seeing for first is if you want to create a blog content. So now let's see, for example, let's see bead making for beginners, bead making design for beginners. Okay, let's choose. Now I want to choose actually a keyword. Okay, bead making for beginners. This is a keyword query I entered. Yeah, the paid competition is high. Now as you can see, this pink colored button close to you, see it has an inscription YouTube. So now once you click on it, it will actually open a page giving you results for that very search. For you remember, we conducted a search, and this search is actually the search result for blog posts, which you actually see google.com from something like this. Okay, the first search that we did. Now this one that I keyed in is, I clicked on YouTube. Remember, I clicked on YouTube, the window just opened. This is the blog post article. Then as you can see, I clicked on this radio button, pink button as YouTube. Now the YouTube result is now out, and as you can see, the search volume on YouTube for this specific keyword is 3,000 per month, and on blog, remember, we have 720, which is quite low, which means that people are more interested in videos on this particular topic than written articles, because video making is actually a practical step whereby you watch videos on how to carry out the steps. So now the keyword, the difficulty is still high on YouTube, and as you can see, it seems on the mostly search volume, they are quite high. There has high mostly search volumes on all the related keywords, which simply means that this niche will be more preferable for video contents rather than blog posts. As you can see, like I told you, this tool I use is Hey Super Tools. You can easily check this is the name on Google, and it will take you to their homepage. All you have to do is to create an account and start using this tool. So you can see I've shown you what, like I said, you've never seen anywhere on any YouTube channel or any blog post. So follow the steps. Go to Wikipedia, choose from the arrays or the list of various hobbies, which means people are interested in it, and start creating your content. Choose them as a niche and start creating your content, being video or article on any one of them. So with that, like I said from the start, Chips are what remains my name. We've come to the end of this video. So if you're still yet to like I said from the beginning, you can still hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I release any tutorial videos just like this. It's a tutorial based channel, and all tutorials are related to technology. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. If you still find it informative enough, you can easily give it a thumbs up, and if you still have any question in any section that you'd like to ask, kindly go to the comment section below, ask a question, and I will attend to them speedily. We've come to the end of this video, so anticipate for the next video once you've done all the necessary requirements for you to be part of this channel. So bye bye for now, and we'll see you in my next video.